So this is what a next chapter van looks like. It's designed with a lot of storage. Everything is pretty stationary. We don't have to move anything. The only thing that you really have to do that's different is we keep our table up here, goes here. It's a lagoon style table that swings all the way around. So you can sit right here, the chair swivels. We've got a refrigerator freezer right here. Everything here is designed to be long-lasting and permanent. All of our fixtures are quality, 90-pound magnets, and so when you hear this, that's a good noise. It just stays down. That way, you don't lose things riding down the road. Very deep sink. Very deep sink. We've got hot and cold water. Got a 12-volt hot water heater under here. That goes there. That's why this has feet on it, because it can stand on its own out there, but it also stays in there. We think that it's important to have good fixtures on everything. And then here, this is my favorite part. So we have a little spice rack, which sometimes is used for spices, but really not. That's just where you put your cans and things like that. Microwave, we have a microwave, and the microwave's very important. When you're traveling in a van, you know, it's kind of camping light because you're not going to sit someplace for days on end. You might stay 2 or 3 days tops. You might go out to eat that night and you can heat up your food the next morning, or you can heat up your coffee in there. The microwave's kind of important to us. Under here is where we keep the toilet, and so it sits under there and it doesn't move around. With all of our vans, it's a cassette toilet, but almost everybody seems to upgrade to a dry flush toilet. This is our bed. It's an RV queen, which is just 3-4 inches shorter than a regular queen. It's a fixed bed because it doesn't make sense to have it go up to the ceiling or go down to the floor or be a dinette during the day. The whole idea in a van is there's one thing that you can't do anywhere else, and it's the whole reason you have the van, and that is sleeping. The bed is the most important thing. So we've got 6 inches plus another 2 inches. So we've got 8 inches of foam. So in every one of our vans, we've got air conditioner. Every one has a max fan with a remote, and it's reversible. Even as a thermostat on it, you won't build up heat in your van when you're off hiking. There's plenty of storage everywhere, and every place that we can, wait for it, there's the noise. Every place that we can, we put storage. We've got storage under here, we've got storage back here. So back here, we're really proud of this. This is our garage area. This is 36 inches high, so you can put your bicycle under here. You can do a lot of things. You can even sleep under there if you wanted to. 20-gallon tank that'll last you a number of days. So right here is the shower out the back, and we've got hot and cold water coming through here. This is how you fill it. Typically, I'm holding it, lather down, actually just hang it right there. Put a shower curtain here, and that works. If you're gonna be off-grid to where there's no shower, you probably don't have to worry about a shower curtain. We do a shower back here because it takes up valuable space. If you were to have a shower, you need at least 2 by 2 or probably 30 inches by 30 inches. You don't wanna use up that space inside the van because you can shower a lot of other places. And not only that, you're putting humidity and moisture into your van, and that's not a good idea. In here, we take advantage of this area above the wheel well, and this is our hot water heater. Got a digital thermostat on it, and it's 12 volt. And so you can access everything from here. This is our electric on this side. We have our electric on that side over there. And then you've got plenty of storage here as well. It's a good place to store things, a good place to carry things. It's also a great place for the dog. You can hang things from here. I put my bikes in here and don't have to tie them up to anything else. I just hang them from here. Plus there's lighting under here as well.